find this interesting. So you have this branch coming up here and going over here, and these palm fronds are leaned into it, like blocking or from whatever. But yeah, and like something could be sitting right there. And that's interesting. To me, they're pushed in, you know, and made that way. It could be wrong. It could be all natural. But it looks kind of different to me. Yeah, this is pretty neat. Look at this. You have an X down there. That breaks right there, which goes right here, followed by that X up there. Wow. That's pretty incredible.